Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome to this channel. Today's strategy is about making money online by downloading files and re-uploading it again. This strategy is really great because all you have to do is sit back, relax, and wait for money to roll into your account. Another reason why I love this strategy so much is because we don't need to spend a lot of our time just to make hundreds of dollars. All we need is a couple of minutes. If you have watched my videos, then you know that I will walk you through all the steps right here and you won't miss out on important details if you don't skip any part. So I suggest that you stick with me until the end so that we can do this together, and after this video, you can start making money right away. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where I teach you guys the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button for me, and don't forget the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back to the video. Alright, so today I will be showing you guys two different websites, and this is the first one. This is where we're going to download files. As you can see right here, get unlimited access to their rapidly growing collection of the newest and highest quality PLR products, which you can leverage to boost your website traffic, build a massive list, brand your business, and multiply your profits. Alright, now if you're wondering what PLR means, it means product label rights. Basically, a PLR product is free for download and re-uploading. You have all the rights to it. You even have license to change anything or everything in that document or file. So for example, we have here PLR ebooks or PLR graphics, software, videos, articles, website templates, and PLR blogs. Now you can download any of these, for example PLR ebooks, and then you can customize it. After you customize it, you can re-upload it again and you will not be copyright striked. You won't be sued or anything like so because PLR is free. Also, if I haven't mentioned yet, today's strategy is 100% free and is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can do this. Now, in case if you're worried if you have to sell anything or whatsoever, no, we won't be doing that. Okay, we won't sell anything. Most importantly, you don't need prior skills for this. You will need sales skills. Nothing like that. Alright guys, let's proceed to the next step, and I want you to scroll all the way up back again right here, and you'll see freebies at the top right hand corner of your screen between contact and checkout. Now what you'll need to do is click on freebies like so, and you'll then be redirected to this page right here where we can see the free to download PLR products. As you can see, there are free ebooks right here. There are a lot. There are free graphics, free videos, free templates, free software. And if you want to download them, all you have to do is click on this right here. Now if you're gonna read here below, you can see that these videos are mostly tutorials and educational videos on various topics such as internet marketing, online business, affiliate marketing, how to set up a website, social media marketing, webinar, and so many more. Alright, now let me just tell you in advance that you can earn more money with videos. So I want you to click on that, as I am going to click it now. And once we're here, you can see that there are a lot of different videos, and these are all in sets. Okay, so this is a set of videos. This one right here is a set of videos. Also this one right here. And if you have chosen something that you like or something that you want, you're just gonna click on this Get It Now button right here. So in my case, for this video, I am going to use this right here, this set of videos right here about diet and fitness. So I'm just gonna click on Get It Now, and then I'll be redirected to this page right here. Then what I'll need to do, and what you'll need to do as well, is scroll down until you find the download button, which is right here. But this is not just a regular download button. Since this is a free page, a free website, you have to share this one on your Facebook account or tweet this on your Twitter account. But that'll take you only a few seconds to do, so that'll be easy. If you don't want to do that, then you can log in to this page or join as a member. Just click on this Join Today button right here, or scroll up to the top and click on Join. But that is not necessary, so you can just use this right here. You can just share this or you can tweet this. It all depends on you. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, please leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's go back to the video. Okay, let's proceed to the next step, and this is the second website which will make us money. Alright, so I want you to come over to JP Forever, and this is over at upload-forever.com. Again, that's upload-forever.com. This is a file sharing free cloud storage where you can upload files, and whenever someone clicks on your file or downloads your file, you will earn a certain amount of money. So how this works is really simple. Whenever someone clicks on your link or wants to download your video, the one that we have downloaded, they will not be sent directly to the download button. They will have to go through an ad where they have to skip it or wait for it to end. So this is actually a win-win situation to all of us. The advertisers will get their desired traffic, you and this website will split the ad revenue, and the person who wants to download your file will download it for free. So in order for you to earn money, they just have to download your file. That's it. Really easy. It is actually easier to persuade someone to download a file than to buy something. Because downloading is really easy and buying means spending money, and we don't want that. That is the main reason why I love this website so much. So what you'll need to do is upload a bunch of files here. Well, actually I want you to upload a lot of files right here because this website gets a lot of traffic, and it means that anytime, whether today, tomorrow, the next month, or the next year, someone will still download the file you uploaded. You might even forget one day that you have uploaded files right here, but even if you do so, or if you forget, you will still have money rolling into your account as long as someone downloads your file. That is the exact reason why I want you guys to upload a lot of files. And when I say a lot, again, I mean a lot. And I've told you that you can earn more with the videos, but I suggest you also upload the PLR ebooks, graphics, software, articles, website templates, blogs, and more. Now let's proceed to the next step. What I want you guys to do is click on this make money button right here at the top part of your screen, and then you'll be redirected to this page right here where you can see what is Up Forever. So right here, Up Forever pay even per 1,000 download in some areas. So you have to have 1,000 downloads in your file. But don't worry, it's easy for you to get that, okay? Now right here below, they have the best pricing for profit. They have 4 different tiers right here, tier 1, 2, 3, 4. And per tier, these are the countries right here. You earn different amounts of money whenever someone from these countries click on your link and download it. So for example, someone from the United States or Canada, which is tier 1, downloads your file, which is a 10 to 100 MB file, then you will earn $7. If someone from tier 4 clicks on your link and downloads a 0 to 10 MB file, then you will earn $3. Also, what I love about this method or this website is that they pay out in a lot of different payout methods or payment methods. As you can see right here, PayPal, Payeer, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neteller, Skrill, Perfect Money, Western Union, Orange, WebMoney, and so much more. Now, as for the minimum payout or minimum withdrawal, you can see right here that the minimum withdrawal is only $1. But some banks don't allow it, and these are the banks which don't allow it, as you can see right here. But the others, they allow $1 minimum payout. Okay, right now, before we proceed to the next step, I want you guys to comment down below what is your favorite payment method. Is it PayPal? Is it Payoneer? Is it GCash? Do you like Western Union? Let me know in the comments down below so that I can make more videos about making money online where you can cash out with no problems at all. And if you want to see the people who have received their payments, then come over here at the top and click on payment proof. you'll be redirected to this page right here, and you can see the updated list of the people who have cashed out their earnings. Okay, right now we have to proceed to the next step, and of course that is to sign up to this website right here in order to start uploading the videos or the files. To do that, click on the sign up button at the top, and then you'll be redirected to this page right here where you can register for free. Add in your username, create a password, retype that password, add in a valid email address, and add in your payment info right here. So if you click right here, you can see that it is not only PayPal, but again, it's a lot. But that is optional. You can add that later if you like. Tick this "I'm not a robot" captcha right here and sign up. Now after that, you'll be redirected to your page or your dashboard, which will look like this, and it looks really neat. As for now, we haven't uploaded any file yet, so absolutely it'll look like this. It'll normally look like this. Account balance is 0, used space is 0, so you actually have 120 gigs for this, and that is big, which means you can upload a lot of different files in here. You also have referrals right here. So again, let me just repeat the process. What you'll need to do is go to plrminds.com, download PLR files, documents, videos, or whatever you want. Go back here to this page, to this website, upload them here, and then wait for people to click and download on your link. Also, there is a different PLR website, which is freeplrdownloads.com, and if you want to search for other free PLR files or websites, you can go to google.com and search for them. Now after you do that, you can just share your link anywhere online. For example, on Facebook pages or Facebook groups, even your Twitter. You can go to Quora, you can go to Reddit, you can go anywhere online and share your link. Now for the millions of people who are online every single day, I know that a lot of people will click on your link, and once they click on your link, you will earn money. And that's it! If you've learned something from this video and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. As always, if you have questions, if you have clarifications, then just go here at the comment section below and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye!